In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer seats between users in HubSpot. Transfer Guide 2025. If you're managing a HubSpot account, a seat is what gives a user access to paid tools like sales or service features. Transferring a seat is helpful when someone leaves a team or when you need to reassign access to another teammate. You'll need the right permissions, typically super admin or user management rights, to do this. Start by opening your browser and going to HubSpot.com. In the top right corner, click Log In. On the login page, enter your work email or choose to continue with a connected account like Google, Microsoft, or Apple. If you're signing in with email, type your password and click Log In. If you have access to multiple HubSpot accounts, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding. Once you're in your dashboard, look toward the top of the page for the gear icon. That's Settings. Click it to open your account settings. In the left sidebar, find Account Management, then select Users and Teams. This is where you manage users, permissions, and seats for your subscription. Next, open the Seats section or tab. Here you'll see who currently holds paid seats in your portal. Find the person whose paid seat you want to move. Hover your mouse over their row to reveal available actions, then click Transfer Seat. A prompt will appear asking you to choose the user who should receive the seat. Select the new user from the list and follow the confirmation on screen to complete the transfer. When you confirm, the current user will lose access to the paid tools associated with that seat, and the selected user will gain that access. This does not delete the user's profile or their records in HubSpot. It simply changes who holds the paid entitlement. If you don't see the recipient in the list, they'll need to be added as a user in your portal before you can transfer a seat to them. Also, make sure you pick the correct user, as some accounts have different seat types tied to specific tools. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Double check that the recipient already has the right permissions for their role, because a paid seat enables tools, while permissions control what they can actually do. If your organization tracks seat usage for budgeting, consider notifying stakeholders when a transfer is complete. And after the transfer, have the recipient sign out and back into refresh access. That's it. You've successfully transferred a seat between users in HubSpot.